Let's do our first build for 2025. Hey, what's cracking everybody? Welcome back to Computer Games Hardware. Today on the channel, we are doing our first build for 2025, and it's a customer build this time around. PC Trading Cards has commissioned Computer Games Hardware to hook them up with a streaming build. PC Trading Cards, and Paul, the proprietor of it, deals with trading cards and does some Facebook live streams and stuff like that, and opens some cards and talks about trading them and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to hook him up with a brand new build. We're going with an Intel Core Ultra 7. We're going in a nice and silent and cool build. So we've got ourselves the Fractal Pop Silent. We're going to populate it with plenty of fans. We got a Peerless Assassin 120 SE. We got 32 gigs of DDR5, 6000 megahertz memory. We've got a terabyte of storage. This is going to be a great build. We've also hooked Paul up with a new streaming camera and some extra fans and things like that, and this is going to be an epic build. So let's get stuck straight into it. First up, we've got everything we need, and as you guys know, I've got my trusty precision screwdriver set to use. Alright, first off, we're going with the Intel Core Ultra 7. This is the 256K, so this is the unlocked version, so we can overclock it and do everything we want to do to optimize Paul's PC. We're using a Z890 Eagle Wi-Fi 7 motherboard, so that's got plenty of awesome features, and we'll have a talk about that when we open it up. But he'll have some Thunderbolt, he'll have everything he needs to be able to stream. This is going to be an epic build. So we've decided not to go for a GPU with this build because Paul's not too much of an intensive gamer, but what we have done is given him plenty of room to be able to upgrade if he needs to. So he's got the CPU, he's got the motherboard, he's got all the hardware that he needs. If he wanted to chuck in a GPU into this build, he would have a pretty high-end gaming PC. So perfect for streaming. It's going to be nice and quiet. We've got the Fractal Pop Silent XL, so there's plenty of room to expel all that heat while keeping it nice and quiet. And we're going to populate it with a few extra fans as well, just to make sure that it gets the airflow that it needs. So let's get stuck into it. This is an excellent motherboard. You've got plenty of USB 2, you've got USB 3.2, you got 5 of those actually. You got 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 7, you got DisplayPort, and then you've got USB 4, which is also DisplayPort. So this is quite a beefy build and excellent for Paul's needs. So the good thing about this build is that most of it is on the motherboard. So we've got all our stuff here. So let's get stuck into it and let's get building right on our board. All right, so there you have it, folks. PC trading cards, brand new streaming PC. It looks absolutely beautiful. The Fractal Pop Silent is an absolute pleasure to work with. Paul's got plenty room for add-ons and upgrades and anything he needs, more drives. He's got 3 M.2 slots available. He's got a whole bunch of SATA slots available. He has an awesome I.O. at the back here. So he's got USB 4. He's got 4 USB A's. He's got 5 USB 3.2s, and he's got 2.5 gig LAN, and he's got Wi-Fi 7 there as well. So he is well looked after. We are about to turn this thing on, go into the BIOS, enable XMP, set up Windows for Paul, put some streaming gear onto his PC, and then it'll be ready for delivery tomorrow. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me build this PC. I had a really good time making it. Paul, I hope you enjoyed this PC as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Big shout out to PC Trading Cards for looking after us at Computer Games Hardware, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.